Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ajit Rathore and I'm back with another interesting video. In this video, I will show you how to concatenate text in MS Excel. So what do you mean by the concatenate? Just assume if you have two columns of data and you want to bring them together, and that is what concatenate do. So actually concatenate is joining or connecting data from different columns. It's very useful when we have huge data to work. And just assume or imagine if we have to do copy data from one column and paste in another column to join, combine or bring them together. That is completely waste of time. You don't have to do that manually. So let's not waste the time and jump to today's video. So let's see first, what does concatenate do? This function joins separate piece of text into one item, which I already covered. Syntax is very simple. Type concatenate and within bracket we can provide text to be combined. So one very important things to be noted here is we can provide 30 text which needs to be combined. Formatting, no special formatting is needed. The result will be shown as normal text. Now let's see this with some example. So here I have taken a table wherein I have names, but names are split into different columns. So here we have Alan. So before that, let me clear this formula from here. Okay. So now here we have Alan in one column and Jones in another column. So let's concatenate, or let's bring them together. So is equal to type concatenate tab and then select the first cell which we have to concatenate. So let's select Alan, comma, and second column which is name 2 and press enter, and the answer is here. So Alan and Jones are combined, or they are together now. Okay, but generally what we have first name and second name, there will be a space, right? So we can customize this and we can provide space as well. So let's again concatenate, again select the cell which we want to combine, comma. Now we have to provide a space, right? So that we have to provide in this formula itself. So in double inverted comma, open the double inverted comma, then space and close the double inverted comma, and again comma, and then select the second cell which we want to combine and press enter. Okay, so here this is Alan and Jones. So you can see the syntax on right side. So C7 comma, and in double inverted comma here we have provided the space. So that space is this which you can see here in between Alan and Jones, and then the D7 which is Jones. Now if we want to put a name in such a way that there must be a comma between first name and second name. Okay, so it should be Bob, then comma, and then Williams. Okay, so that also we can provide in this formula itself. So is equal to concatenate, select the cell, first cell, comma, then again open the double inverted comma. Okay, then double inverted comma, and then comma, provide a space, close the double inverted comma, and then again comma, and second cell which we want to combine. So this is, so here what we have done, Bob, then comma, we can see over here, see D8 is Bob, then this comma, and then in double inverted comma we have provided first comma and then space. So that comma is this and space is this, and then we have closed the double inverted comma and provided the second name. So that's what it presented over here, Bob, comma, space, and Williams. So here we have combined a text from different columns in one cell. So along with concatenate, we can achieve or get the same result by another formula called AND function. So let's try that as well. So here I have the same names over here which we have used on the above table. So first one is Alan Jones. So let me clear this first. Okay, so here it's select the cell. Okay, then just press enter and then select the second cell. So just the data is combined. But as we can see on above concatenate table, the space is not here, right? So let's try this, the one with space. So let's try this, or we can try this only. So is equal to this Bob, okay, then and double inverted, open the double inverted comma and provide a space in between them, and then again and the second cell which we want to combine. Okay, so here we got the space as well. Now if you copy the same formula here, there is a space. This is how it works. Now let's put a comma after first name. So again is equal to Bob, then and open the double inverted and first put a comma and then space and then close the double inverted comma, double inverted, and then a AND function and then second C which we want to combine and press enter. So we'll get Bob comma space Williams, and if you copy the same formula at below cell, we'll get the same kind of output. So that's it in this video. So today we have learned how we can combine a separate piece of text from different columns by using concatenate and AND function. So that's it in this video. I hope you all liked this video and found it useful. Also, if you are liking this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please click on the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I come up with new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice video.